Hello and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's advanced vocabulary word is articulate. Let's learn what it means. Articulate means being able to express your ideas clearly and effectively. An articulate person communicates with confidence and clarity. Here's an example. She is articulate and explains her ideas very clearly. This means she communicates confidently and effectively. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word articulate? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon.